Picture this. A gardener pops his head out of a mound of soil like a groundhog on a caffeine rush and cheerily declares, "If your gardener doesn't understand pH, well, he's not a gardener." Now that's a sight you don't see every day, right? But it's not entirely wrong, and here's why. Soil pH, or percentage hydrogen, plays a crucial role in how well your plants grow. It's like the secret ingredient in your grandma's famous cookie recipe. You might not know what it is, but you sure do notice when it's not there. Now, imagine soil as a fancy five-star restaurant. The plants are the customers, and the nutrients in the soil are the gourmet meals. A balanced pH in the soil is like a top-notch waiter, ensuring the nutrients reach the plant promptly and in the right amounts. But if the pH is off, that waiter might as well be on a coffee break. The nutrients become unavailable, and the plants are left waiting, stomachs, or rather roots, rumbling. And if you think all plants prefer the same pH, think again. Some are like that friend who insists on having their coffee at exactly 168 degrees Fahrenheit. Blueberries, for instance, thrive in acidic soil, while asparagus prefers a slightly alkaline environment. Who knew plants could be so picky, right? So how does one go about finding out the pH of their soil? While you could always try the old-fashioned method of tasting it, we wouldn't recommend it. Instead, it's advisable to seek the help of a professional. Experts in soil testing will have the right tools and knowledge to determine your soil's pH accurately. So suppose your soil is more acidic than a lemon drenched in vinegar. What happens next? The professional would recommend adding some lime, and we're not talking about the citrus fruit, but ground limestone. If on the flip side, your soil is more basic than a pumpkin spice latte, the expert would suggest adding some sulfur. Remember, maintaining the right soil pH is not a one-time thing. Like going to the gym, consistency is key. You can't just do one sit-up and expect to have six-pack abs. A professional soil tester can ensure consistency and accuracy, ensuring your soil pH is just right. In conclusion, soil pH plays a pivotal role in the garden and is integral to plant growth. While it might not be as alluring as those blooming roses or plump tomatoes, their prosperity depends on it. The next time you tend to your garden, remember the importance of pH, the unsung protector of your plants. As we mentioned at the start, the significance of pH might be lost on many, but not on the experts. If your gardener lacks the knowledge of pH, it may be time to approach someone who does. All who better than an expert to guide you in maintaining the perfect garden. At Into Arb Life and Arb Serve, we don't just believe in growing plants, we believe in nurturing life. Remember, a healthy garden isn't just about blooming flowers or lush green leaves, it's about achieving the perfect balance of all elements, including soil pH. So the next time you find yourself confused about soil pH or struggling with your garden, remember, we're here to help. Because at Into Arb Life and Arb Serve, we believe a healthy garden is a happy garden.